The sun bleeds across the cracked earth of the Emberlands, painting the sand with hues of orange and red as another day begins in a world where magic meets the Wild West. A lone wagon drifts across the scorched ruins of an ancient city, pulled by a crimson drake. Perched atop the wagon is Marshal Caleb Irons, his silhouette stark against the fiery sky. With his dragonbone binoculars, he scans the horizon for any sign of trouble, his gaze unwavering. Kel's mission, to bring law and order to the unruly frontier. But lately, the desert has been plagued by hijackings, victims disappearing without a trace. All signs point to a notorious dragon-controlling cult known as the Protocols, led by the enigmatic Crimson Hand. Meanwhile, in the lawless trading town of Dust Bowl, a young woman named Tess Emberline nervously awaits her fate. She's just been caught red-handed selling hacked dragon control runes. A desperate move to fund her brother's medical treatment. Brilliant, but defiant, Tess argues with the town elder, claiming her actions were out of desperation. Cale arrives, bringing word of the dragon attacks and hoping to find a lead on the Crimson Hand. When he hears about Tess's arrest, he questions her, sensing that she knows more than she's letting on. Recognizing her intelligence and desperation, he cuts her a deal. Freedom in exchange for help capturing the Crimson Hand. Together, Cale and Tess set off into the vast Emberlands, searching for answers. Their first stop, the abandoned ghost town of Scorch Hollow, where the dragon attacks began. As they investigate, they uncover a strange crystalline structure pulsating with arcane energy, a hidden secret from the town's past. Suddenly, the ground trembles as a massive dragon-powered train tears through the desert. The Protocol's latest project, the rod rail on board is the Crimson Hand, along with several other Protocol leaders, each representing a different faction that have united under one banner. Their goal, to awaken the slumbering Titan X, an ancient primordial dragon sealed beneath the desert sands. With power this great, they believe they can rule the frontier with an iron fist. Determined to stop them, Kel and Tess team up with a group of desert nomads, who lost their son to the dragon train. Traveling through the treacherous Ashfang Canyon, they battle rogue drakes and deadly sandstorms, all while deciphering clues left behind by the nomads. Eventually, they discover a hidden rune gate within an ancient tomb, pulsing with the same energy as the crystalline structure in Scorch Hollow. Realizing they're close to the truth, Tess uses her knowledge of runes to decode an ancient text, revealing the legend of Titan X, the last Ember Dragon, whose power was feared even by the gods. During the Great Scorch War, it was sealed away beneath the desert to prevent total destruction. Now the Protocols plan to awaken it and use its power to dominate the frontier. But there's hope yet. Another figure from the past may hold the key to stopping them. Enter the Architect, a reclusive genius and former Protocol visionary, who believes Titan X can be used to unite, not conquer the Ember. He reveals his master plan, titanxbob.com, a magical nexus designed to harmonize the fractured factions of the Protocols and awaken Titan X in peace. It's a long shot, but the only chance they have. As the Crimson Hand closes in on the hub, Cal and Tess rally the other Protocol leaders, appealing to their desire for a better future. One by one, they agree to join the cause. Together, they stand before the activated runic gate, focusing their combined energies towards the heart of the hub, and as the gate surges with power, Titan X emerges from the ground, not in a rage, but in a radiant display of light and energy. With Titan X on their side, the frontier is at peace. Scorch Hollow is rebuilt and becomes the capital of a united frontier, a beacon of hope in the vast Emberlands. Cale is named Marshal of Unity, overseeing the new laws and order that bring peace to the land. And Tess, hailed as a hero, establishes the Rune Guild, using her tech and magic to teach harmony to those who seek it. Years later, children are seen riding baby drakes through the bustling streets of Scorch Hollow, playing amidst the ruins of the old crystalline structure. In the distance, the Titanx sub pulses gently, a symbol of unity and peace in a world forever changed by the return of the dragons. And as the sun sets over the Emberlands, casting long shadows across the rejuvenated landscape, Cale stands atop his wagon, watching the horizon with a tired but satisfied smile. The frontier is no longer wild, it's home. Let's go Titan X.